Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hi Arjun,
Hello.
what you doing today?
Rainbow.
Rainbow experiment.
Yeah. And that glass will become like rainbow, but with the paint it
No, we are doing walking water experiment.
Yes. What?
Did you ever see water walking?
No.
So we will make a water walking experiment today, okay?
Yeah, but yesterday didn't come well. Yesterday with the paint, so we did.
So we took different
told
water food coloring and a set of glasses.
No, not food color. Oh, food color.
Set of glasses with
Yeah,
water.
so, but with the pens it didn't work. So we told to them in each class and then.
Okay, then you put each color in each glass.
Okay.
Okay.
One.
You can put more, I think. One more drop. Yeah, enough.
I filled up.
Next.
One, two, three, four.
Maybe you should put more. It's not yellow at all. This is
Oh,
finished.
fell down again.
It's okay, it's enough. Put the next one. So we mixed it so well.
Yeah.
Now we can see all the colors.
That is falling on my head.
So we should take a paper towel, kitchen towel, and then fold it like this and put as shown by Arjun in each glass. Yes. Perfect. Put the glasses closer. Closer, yeah, like that. Wait. So we have put it like this, and will come after 8 hours or 9 hours.
Yeah, but
So
if
we can see different colors.
Yeah, but if we stay here and see
You can see.
and will attach together, we see. Which is supply. Like this.
You want to see the full 8 hours? Okay.
8 hours would be for long time. We should wait till night.
Yes. So let's see after 8 hours, okay?
Yeah.
See you guys.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So I was tired the night, so I slept. In the morning I saw this. The yellow become green. So I just take a look. Now we got to do keep it in one plate.
So you take all the tissues and see the pattern, how it was transferred.
Yeah.
Super.
I can take one plate.
Super. So let it dry, and we dried one and it come out
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, I come out like this.
The water is transferred like this.
Yeah,
I mean
but this
the
one,
color.
this one we got to wait. And
Yeah,
then-
let it dry and
But if,
so this is it, guys. Hope you liked our
Yeah.
video.
yeah, but after someone stick it to somewhere.
Oh, after it dries, you have to stick it somewhere.
I
Yeah, you can use it for paper, for making greetings or something like that.
This is like a sunset. This is like other sunset. This is like rainbow, and this is like other rainbow. So we got to see which colors will happen.